Did you know that one of the biggest reasons RV batteries fail prematurely isn't age, it's improper charging and storage? That's right. Thousands of RV owners end up replacing perfectly good batteries every year simply because they didn't use a quality battery maintainer, and with RV batteries becoming more expensive than ever in 2026. Choosing the right maintainer could save you hundreds of dollars while ensuring your RV is always ready for the next road trip. But here's the big question. Which battery maintainer is actually worth your money? Some focus on fast charging, others specialize in long-term storage, and a few can even bring seemingly dead batteries back to life. That's exactly what we're covering today as we count down the 5 best battery maintainers for RVs in 2026. We'll compare their charging performance, maintenance capabilities, battery compatibility, ease of use, and overall value so you can confidently choose the best option for your RV setup. Be sure to stick around until the number 1 pick because it's easily one of the most powerful and versatile battery maintainers available this year. And as always, all the links are in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. The CoreBox 10 amp 12V 24V Smart Trickle Charger is a highly adaptable, heavy-duty diagnostic tool engineered to safely power, maintain, and rehabilitate a wide cross-section of automotive and power sport batteries. Serving a crucial role for vehicle owners, its purpose is to deliver automatic, efficient energy management to everything from family SUVs and commercial diesel trucks to motorcycles, boats, and riding lawnmowers. The unit is anchored by a sophisticated 9-stage microchip-controlled charging loop that meticulously executes desulfation, a soft start, bulk charging, and low-current micro-maintenance to optimize structural battery health. Key features include dynamic temperature compensation that switches seamlessly between automatic summer and winter modes based on ambient climates, preventing thermal overcharging or freezing undercharging. In real-life scenarios, the charger proves incredibly capable. Using an intelligent slow-pulse repair mode, it can dissolve hard lead-acid sulfation layers to successfully revive up to 80% of aging or deeply discharged batteries. The build quality feels sturdy, relying on a lightweight, impact-resistant fireproof shell paired with a silent internal cooling fan and triple-layer electronic safety protection against shorts or reverse polarity. Its single-touch controls provide high ease of use, showing real-time current, voltage, and diagnostic updates on a clear backlit LC interface. When compared to premium, low-amperage alternatives like the classic Battery Tender Plus 1. 25A. CoreBox offers exceptional value for money by supporting both 12V and 24V architectures and outputting a fast 10 amp current that tops off large marine and truck systems up to 40% quicker, though it does lack specialized 6V compatibility. Ultimately, multi-vehicle owners, agricultural operators, and seasonal commuters who want a powerful, set and forget solution to stave off winter battery drain will find this to be an incredible bargain. I highly recommend the CoreBox 10 amp smart charger as a reliable, cost-efficient, and incredibly flexible powerhouse that takes all the stress out of routine garage maintenance. Number 4. At number 4, we have the Noco Genius 5. One of the most trusted and popular smart battery maintainers available today, Noco has built a reputation for producing dependable battery management products, and the Genius 5 continues that tradition with a combination of smart technology, durability, and ease of use. For RV owners, reliability is everything. The last thing you want is discovering a dead battery right before a planned trip. And that's exactly the kind of problem this charger is designed to prevent. Despite its compact size, the Genius 5 is packed with advanced features that make battery maintenance almost completely effortless. It supports both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, including flooded, AIM, gel, deep cycle, and lithium batteries, making it one of the most versatile options in this ranking. One feature that RV owners particularly appreciate is Noco's integrated thermal sensor technology. Unlike basic chargers that deliver the same charging output regardless of weather conditions, the Genius 5 automatically adjusts charging behavior based on temperature, helping protect battery health during freezing winters and scorching summer storage conditions. Another major advantage is its force mode capability, which allows the charger to work on batteries that have dropped to extremely low voltages. Many standard chargers refuse to recognize heavily discharged batteries, but the Genius 5 can often recover them. Compared to the PCP at number 5, the NOCO offers lower charging power at 5 amps versus 15 amps. So charging large RV batteries may take longer. However, it counters with superior refinement, stronger brand support, better weather resistance, and a proven reliability record. Compared to the Battery Tender Jr. at number 3, the Genie US5 offers dramatically more functionality, including lithium compatibility, repair modes, battery recovery features, and significantly faster charging performance. The rugged IP65 rated housing adds another layer of confidence, especially for RV owners who frequently travel through varying weather conditions. While it isn't the fastest charger on today's list, it strikes a fantastic balance between performance, intelligence, safety, and portability. If you want a trusted set-it-and-forget-it battery maintainer that excels in both charging and long-term battery care, the NOCO Genius 5 remains one of the strongest choices available. Have you ever used a NOCO charger before? Share your experience in the comments because I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Number 3. Taking the number 3 spot is the Battery Tender Junior 12V 750mAh charger and maintainer, a product that has earned almost legendary status among vehicle owners who prioritize long-term battery storage. Now, before anyone points out that its charging speed is far lower than the PZP or the NOCO Genius 5, it's important to understand exactly what this device is designed to do. The Battery Tender Jr. isn't trying to be a high-speed charger. Instead, it's focused on one specific job: maintaining healthy battery voltage over long periods of storage with maximum simplicity and reliability. And honestly, it does that exceptionally well for RV owners who store their vehicle for several months at a time and simply need a dependable maintenance solution. This charger remains one of the safest and most proven options available. Its automatic 4-step charging process carefully transitions through initialization, bulk charging, absorption, and float maintenance modes to ensure the battery remains healthy without risking overcharging. That's especially important because older trickle chargers often damage batteries by continuously supplying current. Compared to the NOCO Genius 5, the Battery Tender Jr. lacks advanced features such as lithium compatibility, battery repair modes, force mode recovery, and rapid charging performance. Compared to the PCP, it offers significantly lower power output and fewer battery recovery capabilities. However, where the Junior shines is long-term reliability. Many owners report using the same Battery Tender Jr. for years without issues, making it one of the most trusted maintenance tools on the market. Its compact wall plug design is incredibly convenient and doesn't take up valuable storage space in your garage or RV setup. The simple LED status indicators also make operation foolproof, even for first-time users. For dedicated RV owners who already have a healthy battery and simply want to keep it that way during storage periods, the Battery Tender Jr. remains an outstanding value. It's affordable, dependable, easy to use, and backed by a reputation built over many years. While it may not be the most feature-packed option on today's list, it continues to be one of the best pure battery maintainers money can buy. So here's a question for you. When it comes to battery maintenance, do you prefer simple and proven or feature-packed and high-tech? Let everyone know in the comments below. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Battery Tender Plus 12V 1.25 amp charger and maintainer. And for many RV owners, this may actually be the sweet spot between simplicity, durability, and long-term battery protection. If the Battery Tender Jr. at number 3 felt a little too basic for your needs, the Battery Tender Plus takes everything people love about that model and upgrades it with more charging power, stronger construction, and improved overall performance. This charger has built a loyal following among RV owners, classic car collectors, boat owners, and anyone who stores vehicles for extended periods because it focuses on one thing above all else: maximizing battery lifespan. Rather than chasing flashy features or complex controls, Battery Tender has engineered this unit to provide safe, consistent charging that helps batteries stay healthy year after year. The microprocessor-controlled 4-step charging system automatically cycles through initialization, bulk charge, absorption, and float maintenance modes. ensuring your battery receives exactly what it needs at every stage. For RV owners who keep their rigs parked during winter months or between trips, this automatic process provides tremendous peace of mind. One of the biggest upgrades over the Battery Tender Junior is the 1.25 amp charging capability. While it may not sound like a massive increase on paper, it delivers noticeably faster charging while still maintaining the gentle battery care that Battery Tender products are known for. Compared to the Junior, it's simply more practical for larger RV batteries and deep cycle applications. The rugged steel housing is another major advantage. Unlike many chargers that rely heavily on lightweight plastic construction, this unit feels incredibly durable and ready for years of garage use. Compared to the Noco Genius 5 at number 4, the Battery Tender Plus sacrifices some advanced features such as lithium battery compatibility, repair modes, and force mode recovery functions. However, many users appreciate its straightforward operation and proven reliability. Compared to the PCP at number 5, it charges more slowly but offers a long-established reputation for durability and consistency. For RV owners who prioritize long-term maintenance rather than battery recovery or rapid charging, the Battery Tender Plus remains one of the safest investments available. It's the kind of charger you connect and almost forget exists because it quietly does its job day after day. If your RV spends extended periods in storage and your main goal is protecting battery health for the long haul, this charger is incredibly hard to beat. What do you think? Would you rather have advanced technology or legendary reliability? Let me know in the comments below. Number 1, and finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list of the best battery maintainers for RVs in 2026 is the Noco Genius 10. If you're looking for the most complete, all-in-one battery charging and maintenance solution available today, this is the charger that sets the standard. The Genius 10 doesn't just maintain batteries, it charges them quickly, restores neglected batteries, supports multiple battery chemistries, and provides long-term maintenance protection all in one compact package. For RV owners who want premium performance without compromise, it's extremely difficult to find a better option. Right away, the 10 amp charging capability stands out. That's significantly faster than the Battery Tender Plus at number 2 and the Battery Tender Junior at number 3, making it far more practical for larger RV battery banks. While the PCP at number 5 technically offers higher maximum amperage, the Genius 10 combines its charging power with a level of intelligence, reliability, and refinement that places it in a league of its own. One of the reasons the Genius 10 dominates this category is its exceptional versatility. Whether you're using traditional flooded batteries, ANG batteries, gel batteries, deep cycle batteries, or modern lithium Life PO4 batteries, this charger is ready to handle them. That flexibility is especially valuable for RV owners who may upgrade battery systems in the future. The advanced thermal sensor continuously monitors ambient conditions and adjusts charging behavior automatically, helping protect battery health during both extreme heat and freezing temperatures. Then there's the highly praised Force Mode, which allows the charger to work with batteries that many other chargers would consider unrecoverable. Combined with Noco's dedicated repair mode, the Genius 10 often succeeds in restoring batteries that appear completely dead. Compared to the Noco Genius 5 at number 4, the Genius 10 offers substantially faster charging and is much better suited for larger RV applications. Compared to the Battery Tender Plus, it delivers dramatically more functionality and charging speed. Even against the powerful PCP charger, the Genius 10 wins in overall refinement, advanced diagnostics, weather resistance, and premium build quality. Another reason it earns the top spot is ease of use. Despite offering professional-level capabilities, the interface remains incredibly simple and beginner-friendly. The LED indicators clearly communicate charging progress and battery status, eliminating guesswork. The IP65 rated housing provides excellent resistance to dust, moisture, and accidental splashes, making it a great companion for RV owners who travel frequently and encounter changing weather conditions. Yes, it costs more than several options on this list, but when you consider that it combines a rapid charger, battery maintainer, diesel fader, recovery tool, and lithium-compatible charging platform into a single device, the value becomes easy to justify. For RV owners who want the best overall combination of charging performance, maintenance capability, battery recovery, versatility, durability, and long-term value, the Noco Genius 10 comfortably earns our #1 recommendation for 2026. So there you have it, our picks for the 5 best battery maintainers for RVs in 2026. As we've seen, each option offers something different depending on your needs. If you're shopping on a budget and want impressive charging power, the PCP is a fantastic value. If you prefer a trusted smart charger packed with modern features, the Noco Genius 5 is an excellent choice. If your focus is simple, long-term maintenance, the Battery Tender Junior continues to be one of the most reliable options available. The Battery Tender Plus steps things up with stronger construction and enhanced charging performance, making it ideal for serious long-term storage. And if you want the best overall battery maintainer that combines charging speed, recovery capabilities, versatility, and premium build quality, the Noco Genius 10 stands at the top of the list. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these battery maintainers would you choose for your RV? Are you already using one of them? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, because your feedback could help fellow RV owners make the right decision. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.